What's up guys, Sinclair Photos here, and today I'm going to bring you this review of this 2016 Nissan Altima SL, baby. This thing is a family sedan that you don't want to miss out on. If you don't have one of these, you need to get yourself one, and I'm going to explain why in this review, baby. Let's go. Come on over here with me. First, you'll see under the hood, we're going to pop it in a second, but we got the 3.5 liter V6 engine. This thing will eat 2014 Mustang V6s all day, baby. Come on over here. As you can see, we have not two, but 4 doors. So with this car, you get sedan insurance, which is the cheapest out there on the market. We're sitting here with the stock OEM rims. You don't even need to get no forged Yatos for this one, folks. These hoes look clean themselves. We got our little gas cap. You can't even touch it. No theft here. There's a button inside that you gotta pop to get in there. Come around back here. We got a trunk. We're gonna pop the trunk for you in a second as well. Show you the massive trunk space. Let's see if we can even do it. I don't think we can. That may just be a little slow, but I don't feel any buttons over here. This is the key thing, probably. Too advanced for me here. Going back around here. You see on the mirror, we actually have parking sensors on the side that'll let you know if somebody's next to you. They'll flash orange or something. And yeah, objects in the mirror are closer than they appear. You're also losing because this car beats anything out on the street, family sedan wise. You get your dual blade windshield wipers to protect you from any sorts of rain, sleet, snow, or hail. Anything to protect you from the Alright, we're gonna hop inside. Let's roll some B-roll because I don't really know what I'm talking about, to be honest. I'll just put the specs over here. Wow, those are nice, huh? Alright, cue the B-roll, baby. Alright, Mr. Kyle is going to take us on a little drive while I explain all the beautiful things about the 2016 Nissan Altima SL. One of my favorite parts of this car is the heated seats. On, off, and you can chill your hot bum if you get a little toasty in the summertime. We also have a fully digital heads-up display over here, and then the entertainment system, all that jazz right here. We got Sirius XM radio. We got, oh, they're not subscribe to me, not them. FM, AM, nobody listens to those. There's CD, nobody listens to CD. Nobody has aux anymore. We got this beautiful navigation, and then the map, which we use all the time. The map's really cool. I don't know how to do it. Oh, it's this one. You can zoom out a little bit by a little bit, and you can really see in real time what's going on over here. We got zoom in function. You got your CD stuff you're not gonna use. This is some marble countertop stuff. You got steering wheel, push to start, and a sunroof, and self-tinting mirror. That's pretty cool.
All of your functions with maps and updates through radios and apps are all with an SD card here. So last time I checked, it was $60 or so to update. So if you do have this car and maps get outdated or roads get built, as roads do all the time in Texas, you can go to the dealer and update your SD card to get new functions, to be up to date with Altima technology. All of your steering wheel functions can all be changed in the menu with these buttons here. So if you scroll through your buttons, you got your warnings, your driving assistant, your car direction, tire PSI, music, direction, and all that can be customized. And over on this side is traction control, trunk, fuel, heated steering wheel is over here as well. With the other Altima models, functions get added and replaced and switched over here. Most of the different options with Altima will all be changed over on this side. So everything front facing, everything that everybody else is looking at and not the driver, navigation wise and heads-up display, will rarely change with different Altima models. Everything, all the Altima models are changed through engine or all your features for the driver on this side. So things that people won't see that often. It's 4 buttons over here that will all get switched or changed.
Very luxurious seating situation here in the Altima. On the passenger seat, I have many years of experience in this passenger seat. It's very nice, very comfy. I never get sore back or sore throat from sitting in this seat. But the back seat is where all the magic happens. And boy, oh boy, are these back seats good for what they're used for, guys. Road trips, family vacations, everything. I know you dirty-minded people out there would think about smashing in the back seat. I thought about that for you. It's all good. You got pretty big room, enough for 3, 4, the usual with the Sinclair photos daily life. But yeah, Kyle, thank you for showing us around your Altima today. Much obliged, much obliged. And we'll see many more of his hypercars in the future. Feel free to follow him, Kyle Gafford, on Instagram, and follow me, Sinclair Photos, baby. We're almost at, who knows where we're at. This video, we're blowing up so big, guys. I love y'all so much. Thank you for the mad support. Let's get to 8K. Mwah. I love you. Good night. Subscribe.